Hello, I am Riya Datta from Tito's Fashion House. Today I will guide you through the process of downloading our mobile responsive app. Let's get started. Enter Tito's Fashion House into the Google search bar and select our website from the search results. Once you are on our online store, scroll down slightly to reveal a yellow pop-up bar at the bottom of the screen. Click on this yellow bar and a pop-up window will appear where you can select the install button. After clicking install, please wait a moment for the app to download to your mobile device. Once the installation is complete, we will receive a notification and the Tito's Fashion House icon will appear on your home screen. Now simply tap the TFH icon to access our online store. I trust this information is clear. Thank you for installing our mobile app.
Tito's Fashion House.